Children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So children, today we are going to start part 3 of social studies. Okay, yes, in the previous video we have discussed about general science and that was part 2, but in social studies we have completed part 1 and part 2. So today we are going to start part 3 of social studies for class 1. So before we start part 3, let us recollect what we have learned in the part 1 and part 2. Yes, in the part 1 and part 2, the lesson name was parts of my body, that is lesson number 2. So in the part 1, we have discussed about body parts. You can see the picture over here. These were the different body parts which are given in this picture, and we have discussed about that. Then turning your page, we have discussed about the functions of the body. Functions of the body, it means like what body part performs what type of function. Like with the help of eyes, we can see. With the help of teeth, we can chew. With the help of hands, we can play and do a number of work. With the help of legs, we can walk. Okay, so these were discussed in the functions of the body. And now, today we are going to start sense organs. What does it mean, sense organs? So sense organ is nothing by which we can see, we can hear, we can smell, we can taste and we can feel. These are nothing but these comes under sense organs. Like for example, okay, you're playing in a ground. So what happens? There is an ant, and that ant came and it has bitten you up. Okay. So what happens? Immediately you will react. Oh, something is itching in my hand. What is that? So when you see that there was a bite of an ant, okay, then immediately you will feel, you will react, and you will just throw away that ant from your body. Okay, so that reaction, why your body is doing that type of reaction, it means you are having sense organs, and that sense organs helps us to immediate react and respond that what type of thing or what type of behavior is happening in our body. Okay, like for example, if you are playing, not even playing, if you are just sitting, okay, at a time what happens, there's something coming towards our eyes. So immediately what we'll do, we just move our head back as well as we just close our eyes. Okay, why? How can you do that? Because yes, our body can feel, our body can see that yes, something is coming towards my eyes, and we can immediately close our eyes. This type of reaction is nothing but because of the sense organs which is present in our body. Another example, like there is a candle. Okay, everyone know candle. Yeah, there are birthday candles also and any other candles also. So what happens when a candle is burning? Can you put your finger on that candle where it is burning? No, you can put it, okay, just try to put, but immediately your body will remove your hand back. Okay, why? Because your finger can feel, it can sense the hot burn of that candle, and immediately it will react, it will remove our hand back. Okay, so why it is happening? Because of the sense organs which is present in our body. सो इन अदर फॉर्म सेंस ऑर्गन वो होते हैं जिसके वजह से हमारी बॉडी रिएक्ट करती है. जब भी कोई चीज़ हमारे आँखों की तरफ आए, हम इमीडिएटली उसे क्लोज कर देते, बंद कर देते हैं आँखें, क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी फील कर सकती है कि कोई गलत चीज़ हमारे आँखों में जाने वाली है. या फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ समथिंग, मच्छर आपको काटे या कोई जानवर आपको बाइट करे, आप इमीडिएटली उसे रिएक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, इमीडिएटली हमें पता चल जाता है कि किसी चीज़ ने हमें बाइट किया है. So we'll rush to the doctor. First of all, we apply Dettol to our body. Then immediately we rush to the doctor so that it cannot cause any disease to in our body. And yes, when any fire is there or anything is there which is not good for our body, immediately we remove our hand. So these are things. Why you are doing these things? Because of the sense organs which is present in our body. Okay. So all the first class student, take out page number 109, sense organs. The 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So which are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the different 5 sense organs which help us to feel in our body what the thing is happening with our body. It helps us to feel. We can see, hear, smell, taste and feel things around us with the help of our sense organs. With the help of eyes, you can see, you can watch my video, right? With the help of ears, you can hear whatever I am saying in this video, what explanation I am giving you, that you can easily hear with the help of what? With the help of ear. Okay, you can smell it, what your mother is preparing in the kitchen. If she is preparing a delicious food, immediately you can smell it. Okay, so with that, which sense organ we are using? We are using nose. Taste. Okay, whatever the food you are eating, whether it is bitter, whether it is sour, whether it is salty, or whether it is sweet. So all this taste you can easily feel while eating. Because of what? Because of the tongue. And feeling. Yes, if anyone is touching you like this, immediately you can feel it. If anyone slap you, you will react or not? कि आप लोग react ही नहीं करते जब कोई आपको थप्पड़ मारता है. Yes, we will react. If anyone is slapping us, if anyone is just touching us, we will immediately react. So that is called as what? Feelings. That is called as what? Feel. And how do we feel? Because of our skin. Okay. Yes. Turn your page. Here a diagram is given where it is showing that how we are using our eyes, for what purpose we are using our tongue, for what purpose we are using our ears, right? The children are like playing in the garden and they are smelling, they are talking on the phone. So these are the few examples which are shown over here. Yes, so first one, our eyes helps us to see. Now I am reading over here. In my hand, book is there. I am reading one line. How I am reading that? Because I can see. I have eyes. And that eyes helps me to see. And when it helps me to see, I can read it. Okay. Next, our tongue helps us to taste. Yes. So every day we'll eat chocolates, we'll eat so many kinds of foods, we'll eat fruits, we'll eat vegetables, we'll eat ice cream. Okay. So all the food which we are eating, you can immediately taste it. Like, yes, now which I am eating, that is ice cream. If you close your eyes also, okay, if you close your eyes, I'll give you some chocolate, I'll give you ice cream, I'll give you food, I'll give you fruit also. So while closing your eyes also, immediately with the help of taste, you can imagine that this is ice cream which I am eating now. Okay, you don't need to open your eyes also. Because of the taste, we can immediately react, we can immediately identify that this is the thing which I am eating. It doesn't need to open our eyes. So which sense organ is helping us? It is the tongue which is helping us. Okay, I will close my eyes. You people serve whatever food you want to serve to me, and immediately I can say that yes, this is the chapati which I am eating, this is the rice which I am eating. Okay, someone has given me ice cream which I am eating. So immediately I can react, immediately I can feel that what type of food I am eating. This is because of what? The sense organ of tongue. Next, our skin helps us to touch and feel things. Yes, this skin, it helps us to touch whatever the things I want to touch. I am touching the book. So with the help of skin, I can feel that yes, this is the book which I am touching. If I just close my eyes, okay, and I want to take something like mobile phone. So with the help of, without seeing, by touching only, we can feel that yes, this is mobile phone. So skin helps us to touch and feel the things. Our ear helps us to hear. As I said you before, with the help of ear, you can hear what I am saying. You can easily grab it because you are listening to my video. You can easily understand it. What your parents are saying, that also you can understand. You can listen. How? Because of the ear. Our nose helps us to smell and breathe. So yes, one of the main function of the nose is breathing. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. So one of the main function is breathing, and second one is the smell. We can easily smell. We can smell the flowers, we can smell the food, we can smell the fruits, many things we can smell. So with the help of nose, it helps us to smell. Okay children, so with this we have completed lesson number 2 for class 1 social studies, that was parts of my body. I hope you people have understood this lesson, and yes, I need to give you question answers as well as few objective bits I think we need to complete in the reader also, that also I'll give you. Okay, go through the lesson, watch my video, learn the question answers, understand the question answers also. Okay, yes. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then children, goodbye and take care.